Hi again, Steve from Awesome. We're back in the Awesome training room, and today I want to talk to you very quickly about panel filters. Okay, so we have a range of panel filters, a range of brands, and of course different materials that the panel filters come in. We've got the likes of the Racing Line one here and the Pipercross one. They are a foam filter, and of course the age-old K&N filter, which is pleated cotton. If you're unsure which to go for, give us a call, speak to our sales team. We can advise which might be best suited for you or which one we would go for in your application. So when would we fit an aftermarket performance panel filter? Anytime is the answer to that. If your car is serviced and it's standard, you will still benefit from these filters. One, they flow better. That's always better for an engine. Two, they last longer, and there are cleaning kits available also on the website. So you may have a bigger payment initially for the panel filter, but of course they last a lot longer. You're not having to constantly replace. Okay, so when we service our vehicles, especially on a full service, we would have to replace our original air filter every single time. Of course, with the likes of these, especially with the likes of the K&N, that's actually a lifetime filter. You keep that clean, you look after that filter, it literally lasts the lifetime of the vehicle. Other times we would consider putting in an aftermarket performance filter. If you've had something like a tuning box or a remap, a nice little upgrade, a nice little add-on that you can put in there, helps the engine breathe a little bit better, get more out of that map, get more out of that tuning box. As you can see, we've got the Racing Line, the K&N and the Pipercross filters in front of me. We have more options on our website. Jump on the website, have a little look. If you're still unsure, give the sales team a call. We'll be able to advise you.